In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make text shake in Davinci Resolve. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by adding some text into your project and making sure that you are doing all of your text changes on this step because you will not be able to go back. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to OpenFX on your effects library and search up camera shake, and just make sure not to add that until we do this step. So you're going to right click on new compound clip, and then add on camera shake. Now, as you can see, there's going to be some basic settings to make it shake, but what you're going to do to make it smoother is actually use the motion scale, speed scale, and motion blur, and play around with the settings. So it'll look a little bit different than what it did,